You can get 1,000 subscribers in a day. Yes, you actually can. And I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve that by using YouTube's promotion to promote your videos to get 1,000 subscribers immediately. It's actually as easy as it sounds, but you have to pay for it because it's promotion. So I'm going to go into my screen recording now and show you exactly how to do this promotion step by step easily. But please prepare your money if you want to do this because you actually have to pay for the promotion, but guaranteed you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers. So let's dive right into it. So for this video, there are two different ways to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. But this first one I'm going to show you is 100% certain you're getting your 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. And this promotion is with me. So we have the promotion with me and we have the promotion with YouTube itself. So now I will explain how the promotion with me works. You will get 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. And these are real results. There is no bullshitting. There is no lie. If you want to hit 1K subscribers fast, you're tired of struggling and you just want to hit 1K in less than 24 hours, I promise you, then you have to send an email to the email address on the screen. But this is not free. I repeat, it is not free. There are fees applied to this. So I'm just going to show you somebody's result and somebody's review that have used this promotion with me. The numbers don't lie. If you want to get 1K subscribers in less than 24 hours, then send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com, the email on your screen, and we will get you 1,000 subscribers in a few hours. So for the YouTube video promotion, it's an easy step. All you need to do is to go to your YouTube dashboard. Obviously, that's studio.youtube.com. Then you go to your videos. You go to the exact video that you want to promote with the YouTube promotion. So let's just pick any random video here. Yeah, you click on the edit part of it. You see, when you click on the three lines, you see edit title, description, view on YouTube. You see this promote here. That's where you're going to click on. Now you see this is a new video promotion. So you have the goals, the video targeting, budget, and billing. So you're going to select what's your main goal for this promotion. Do you want audience growth, which is you getting more subscriptions and views of additional videos on your channel? Or do you want it to be video views? Is that what you're promoting? Or is it website visit? And if you're watching this video, I'm assuming it's to get audience growth. You're trying to get 1,000 subscribers using YouTube promotion. So we're definitely going to be leaving it on audience growth. But if it's views you want to get, if you want to promote that particular video to get views, then you click on video views. If it's website drive, you click on that. So let's leave it on audience growth. Then we come all the way down and press next. Okay, so now we've moved to the video. Now, what will your promotion look like? This part you really don't have to do much, but the video title is already written there on the video, and this is basically what your promotion will appear like when people are seeing it. Okay, so let's move on to the next stage, which is targeting. Okay, so targeting is about the people that you will see your promotion as your target audience. What country, what geography, what demographic do you want to see your promotions? And as you can see here, YouTube has already automatically put Nigeria for me because the majority of people watching my channel is already Nigeria. So for you now, the countries you're going to see here are people that are majorly watching your video. So you can either leave it the way YouTube has put it for you, or if you have another region target in mind, you put the country there. So if you click on it, different countries will come out. You select the countries you want to, put. You can put as much as you want, but also remember you're paying for this promotion, so your budget also matters. Okay, so now click on advanced targeting and you see showed to the following gender. You click if you want only females, you click if you want only males, or you just click all if you want it to be both to male and female. Show to the following ages, same thing applies. You click the ages you want it to, show to, or you just leave it on click all. Then show to viewers who speak these languages. It is advisable to leave this part empty. Okay, so if you leave it empty, it's going to show in all languages. So yeah, basically after this, you've put all the countries you want. You move to the next stage, which is the budgets. Press next. And here is where the main thing is you see currency USD. If you're not using USD, you can click on it and change the currency to whatever currency it is you're using. I'm going to leave this at USD. Then you see your total budget and the currency is in USD. What is your budget for this promotion? You can put the amount you want, go as low as $2 if that is your budget for the promotion. But also, once you've done that, YouTube would then show you that these are the estimated views you'll be getting, and this is the estimated impression. So the higher your budget, the higher your estimated views, the higher your estimated impression, and the more it reaches more audience. Okay, and also you have over here the end date where you can select how long the promotion runs for. You put the date it's starting, that is the day you're doing this, is the date the promotion is starting, and then you can choose the date you want the promotion to end. So you can pick on any date and it's going to save over there. So also the dates you pick for this promotion also determines the budget and also determines your result of this promotion. Okay, now if we increase the budget to, let's say, $500, let's say 500, you see that it's going to recalculate. Now I have a more higher estimated impression and estimated views. So it's all about your budget, how much you plan to spend, and the amount of audience you want to reach, how long you want the promotion to run for. Okay, that's just basically what it is. You read all this, understand it, and then you move to the next stage. The next stage is the billing stage. Okay, this is where you enter your payment info. So my country is Nigeria. If you do not have an AdSense account, you would have to open an AdSense account, or you use someone's AdSense account that you trust. But basically, open your own AdSense account. That is safer. Then you add your payment method over here. When you click on this, you'll be able to add the credit card or a debit card. And then your payment setting, you can change it to automatic, or you can change it to one-time payment, and then you promote. You press promote down here. So this is the process of promoting your videos on YouTube with YouTube promotion itself. That is using YouTube and Google promotion, but it's a little bit tedious, it's a little bit tasking, and it costs more money. So if this is not your cup of tea, or if you want the cheaper route and the fastest route, less than 24 hours, just shoot me an email to the email address I put in the first part of this video, and you make your payment and get your 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. If you want more than 1,000 subscribers, fine. If it's 1,000 subscribers you're looking for, just make your payment and you will get it. Easy as ABC. Guys, do not sleep on this update. It's limited offer. Just hit me up right now and stop struggling with 1,000 subscribers, or you use the YouTube promotion and get your 1,000 subscribers also. All right. Yes, guys, it's that easy to get 1,000 subscribers on your channel in just a day or two, depending on the amount you spend on the promotion, like I just showed you. If you want to do this promotion, I advise you do quality videos. The video you're promoting should be top notch and it should represent you, your style, and what you do on your channel, so that if they fall in love with you, they know that yes, the person they are falling in love with, so they are more likely to come back to the channel. As a YouTube guru that I am, by all means, please do this promotion. It's actually legit. You get your subscribers 1,000. So pick your poison. If you really want to get the 1,000 subscribers fast, legitly, then you use the YouTube promotion. If you're trying to build a community, then take your time and just post quality videos. I'm going to link videos that's going to help you grow your channel in the cards. Check them out. They're going to help you tremendously. Okay. So if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to leave down in the comments. I will answer them. If you have video suggestions you want me to talk on, or to, give you insights about, leave them down in the description. I will get to them. Okay. Share this video to somebody who would actually want to promote their channel on YouTube, so that they can, know the pros and the cons and make their decisions easily. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.